Labubu was born from the imagination of Sing Lung, a Hong Kong-based illustrator and artist with a love for strange and whimsical monsters. Originally introduced around 2018, Labubu came to life as part of a series called The Monsters. These weren't your average toys. Each character had a story, full of emotion, personality, and sometimes a little bit of mischief. Labubu stood out instantly. With a cheeky smile full of sharp teeth and a face that was both creepy and cute, it became the unofficial mascot of the collection. What started as sketches and limited art pieces soon turned into a global phenomenon, thanks to a collaboration with Pop Mart, China's biggest designer toy company. Pop Mart launched Labubu as a vinyl blind box toy, meaning fans never knew which design they'd get until they opened the box. That mystery, combined with Sing Lung's iconic style, turned Labubu into a must-have. From pirates to forest creatures, astronauts to seasonal editions, Labubu showed up in hundreds of styles. Each version told its own little story.
Soon, Labubu exploded beyond Asia. TikTok and Instagram were flooded with unboxings, shelf tours, and fan edits. Collectors shared rare finds. Influencers flaunted their rainbow-colored armies of Labubus. The doll became more than a toy. It was a status symbol in the designer toy world. Limited releases sold out in seconds. Some rare editions now resell for hundreds of dollars. So what makes Labubu so irresistible? Maybe it's the contrast. Cute, but a little unsettling. Or the way it feels like a storybook character that came to life. It's a reminder that toys aren't just for children. They're for anyone who loves imagination, design, and a bit of weirdness. From art galleries to bedroom shelves, from Asia to the West, Labubu has carved its place as one of the most iconic collectible toys of the decade, and the story is far from over. What started as a sketch became a movement, a fuzzy little monster with a big grin and an even bigger fan base. This is Labubu, the art toy that went viral, and maybe, just maybe, stole a few hearts along the way. If you love collectible toys, quirky stories, and design culture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got a favorite Labubu edition? Tell us in the comments below.